Dana here, and welcome to my blog. This is the continuation of noise in the rear of her 03 Ford Explorer. So where I'm at right now is I'm trying to get this C-clip out of here so I can press that bearing out, and that's where I lie. I put a bunch of sprayed that really heavy with brake freeze. So now it's getting you can see the C-clip all the way in, locks that bearing in. So here's your clip area here. I'm trying to get it to pop out of there. Starting. That is a start. Start the flex. Spring. Get everything to spring. Nice to feel it spraying. That's a good thing. Ooh, getting a spin. That is a good thing. The whole get the clip to spring means it's good. You see that rotate now? I think the whole bearing is spinning too. Okay, right. Sure that. Let's see if see a pair of needle nose. Let's see what we're doing. Those holes are so big, and if you go to Advanced or somewhere like that, you can probably get. See how we're doing. Okay, very good. Got them to spread. That's good. I think what I need to do is get a. Oh, man. Man, not doing it now. Just to pop that back out. When I let go of it, popped it right back in there. Let me get some more brake freeze. What we're gonna do? Brake free will do two things. All right, gets in there. It's also gonna help push the good old bearing out too. Got rotating the whole way. I still think that's the best idea using these here, but you want to get something underneath it, like a small screwdriver. If you've got enough strength here, just squeeze it. Okay. I got one under there. Had one under there. There we go. but not fun. Ah, dang. I think the fence actually sells the right size. That keeps getting it so. Locked in or trying to do that. Okay. Man. Locked themselves back in there. Oh, every time you do that. Yeah, good. Grip there. New one's got a new. Dang. One in there. Walk it around. Another got to that point. Bigger screwdriver walk here. Oh, dang it. Lost it completely. Ah. Oh. It's not making me happy here. Okay, it's nice and loose in the hole, which is good. Just getting on these. Getting on the compress it. Okay. Back in there again. Probably with the wrong one, I think. I'm gonna fight with it. Here's a set here that I've got. They appear to be closing it. Gotta concentrate on them. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I'm saying is, you're gonna Advance has probably got another set of these. Hey! Time we do that, lock myself back one way or the other. Just can't keep. All right, they did it. All right, there we go. Once you get that snap ring out to that point, you've won. You've won the battle. Just walk it around. Bigger screwdriver. Make sure you wear safety glasses. There we go. Come on. Walk it around. Last one being stubborn, but that's alright. Walk it, it's going to walk itself out. So there you go. You're going to get a new snap ring in the kit. The outer race or seal for that bearing. Okay. Now we've got that out. Now sprayed around the inside of that bearing. On the outside of the race, really good. So let's take it over the press and press it out. Okay. And I found the old rotors I got kicking around might just be the answer I need. So look out, plug in. You okay? You okay, buddy? Holy shit. You okay? Oh. Hey, I said to go get a new SD card because I ran out. So what I've got is I've got another cap here, and I've got that lined up, and I'll go ahead and start getting that squeezed out of there. That's what I need. Somewhere where I can see it. See what I'm doing, what I'm talking about. Alright, cap is sprung, but it appears like it's pushing the bearing out, which is all I need to do. I'm pushing the new, it'll be, I don't want to go and push the new one back in. Probably just going to go ahead and push the bearing with the hub. Right. You really can't. Okay. There we go. Let's see how far we go, because it was bending here a second ago. Straining too much. What she just did. Okay. It's not something's moving here. Getting a whole bunch of bearings out. Okay. center race. It's not what we want. Not what we want. I think it did start. We want the whole, we want that whole bearing out of there. We don't want it. Oh, God! Doggone you. That slider. Oh, got me twice now. Oh, we're gone. Nuts. Little slider got me. Don't expect not to bleed. You gonna. Keep that hand clean now, though. Bleed or get hurt. Get dirty. What you gonna do? Oh, come on! Okay. Need a new camera. I can say, zoom in. Alright, unfortunately now the bearing is disintegrated. And now I gotta get this race out of here. So I gotta find something that's gonna be as wide. And it's gonna sit right in there. So I can go ahead and press that out. That's what you're gonna run up against if it doesn't come out. I'm gonna take that with us. Okay. So actually, it is wide enough. I don't know how strong it's going to be. This side of the house is trying to keep that level on the press. These are all odd. Not a real good job bending the vacuum. There's an accessory press kit to go along with it, but it's mainly you. You gotta make whatever